Hi everyone, and thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to help me out and you have about 4 minutes, stay tuned. I'll be brief. First of all, where we are and how I got here. About 2-3 years ago, I was interested in how do you get a picture from a camera onto your computer. Where did I go? YouTube. I found a lot of helpful channels, very informative, and before long I was doing videos. Once I started doing videos, I thought, how can I help and give back to the YouTube community? I started doing videos of my own. It started on small engines and it morphed out to home repair, car repair. I even have a few videos on my small flock of chickens and so on. Needless to say, there was a learning curve. For a lot of you out there, loading videos to YouTube is second nature. For me, it was a process. That said, as time went on, I started enjoying this and I started doing more and more. I had the time to do it and I was able to get quite a few videos online. I believe I have 172 videos posted to YouTube. I have many others that just never made it to YouTube because of time constraints. A lot of times I'll start a job and I won't be able to finish it because I'm waiting for a part that's on the small engine, a snowblower, a lawnmower or something. Or I'll be doing some spackling work or some plumbing work and I'm waiting for something to dry, or I have to wait for a part to come in, and I just never get time to get back to that video to finish it. And I started originally with a small Canon I believe SD300. I'm still using that camera. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm making this video with. And the computer I'm using is a laptop with the Vista Home Edition. I know. Well, between my learning curve and the equipment I'm using, it takes me quite a bit of time to upload a video. So a while back I bought a new camera. Camera takes excellent videos, but it's very poor on the sound. You can barely hear it. I said, well, that's not a problem. I can edit that on with my software. Well, come to find out, the software I have does not merge with the software on this new camera. I have to download a codecs. I can't download a codecs because Microsoft no longer supports Vista. So I wanted to start doing these videos on a more or less a full-time basis. YouTube doesn't pay much when you're a small channel creator, but it does add up. Pennies lead to dollars, and as time goes on, there'll be something there. And as your channel grows and your audience grows, it can become profitable. So with that in mind, I said, well, whatever I'm making right now, I'll just leave it there. And when I have enough to upgrade to a new computer, it doesn't have to be the newest and the fastest, but something that I could edit these videos with. So I thought. Well, last night I received this notice from YouTube. Let me get it for you.
And it reads, "What's changing? Under the new eligibility requirements announced today, your YouTube channel, Joe Z, is no longer eligible for monetization because it doesn't meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose its access to all monetization tools and features associated with your YouTube Partner Program on February 20th, 2018. Unless you surpass this threshold within the next 30 days, accordingly, this email serves as a 30-day notice that your YouTube Partner Program terms are terminated." Now, I have more than enough hours of watch time. It's the subscribers where I'm sure.
Now, even though they don't pay much, they do pay something. And with the time constraints, it's getting harder and harder for me to put these videos up. I apologize to my subscribers for the lack of videos I've been putting up. I was doing 2 at a time, 3 a week, sometimes 1, sometimes 2, and sometimes I might go 2 weeks without putting a video up. But I would like to get more consistent with it. But I have to say, it's hard to devote time to something that you're not going to get paid on. To all my subscribers and viewers that have been with me from the beginning, and those that just signed up recently, I do want to thank you for your time and your support. If you would like to help, it's very easy. Just pass my videos, my channel, on to somebody else who might like it or find it entertaining or useful. And when you do like a video, give it a thumbs up and post your comments down below. This acts as a guidepost for me, so to speak, on what my viewers enjoy and what's working. And if you don't like a video, post your comment down below on that also. That also acts as a guidepost. Just keep in mind, please, watch the language. There are young viewers that watch my channel and others, and we don't want to be offensive to anyone. So I'd like to thank all my subscribers in advance for any help that you can give. I really appreciate it. And for all my viewers out there that watch my videos from time to time, subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Be sure to click on that little icon in YouTube so when I post a new video it shows up. If it's a content that you'll enjoy, click on it and view it. If it's something they might not enjoy, just delete it. It's that simple. But if you like to help guys, that's it in a nutshell. I thank you in advance for any help you can give. Well, that's a wrap, guys. And as always, until next time, please stay safe.